Self-checkout was sold as the future. Faster, cheaper, more convenient. But here's the twist. It's costing billions in theft, frustrating customers, and forcing stores to rethink if cashiers should really disappear. This is Jobs on the Edge, a Skimmy Stories series about the future of work. Amazon's Just Walk Out stores made headlines. Grab your items, leave, get charged automatically. Aldi is testing it too. And major chains like Walmart and Kroger have poured money into AI-powered self-checkouts. But reality hits harder. A University of Delaware study shows cashier jobs in general retail dropped 23% in just 4 years, even as overall retail jobs went up by 3%. And yet, many companies are pulling back. Walmart is removing self-checkouts in some stores because of theft. Target and Dollar General are rebalancing lanes. California even passed a law to limit self-checkout use. For the workers who remain, the role is flipped. Instead of scanning items, they fix broken machines, stop theft, or calm angry customers. Maria, a cashier for 15 years, told researchers, "Now I just walk up and down the self-checkout lane. People don't even look at me until something breaks." The Last Cashiers aren't just scanning groceries. They're doing what machines can't, solving problems, handling exceptions, and being the human backup when automation fails. And here's the bigger question. If even cashiers aren't fully replaced, maybe the future of work isn't about humans losing every role, but about being pushed to the edge, where our value is tested. That's today's Skimmy story, Jobs on the Edge. We skimmy information, your noise filter. Subscribe here on YouTube, follow us for more on Instagram, and listen on Spotify or Apple Podcasts.